Hi guys, welcome back to Try Some CG. My name is Faz Alam and uh, I have created a game called Stealth.io for mobile devices, and this is how it looks. So basically what I did is I created the main menu, and in the main menu settings are not currently working, and also the store. But apart from that, the scoring system, means the coin system, is now working, and the here one is actually denoting the denoting which at which level we are. So we're in the first level, which is the only level I have created. uh, so in future I'm going to create uh, nearly 100 levels, because levels are going to be very small. So 100 levels uh, shouldn't be very no, should be very easy to create. So okay, so here's the gameplay. So basically it's a touch to move game, in which you have to avoid the guards and collect as much coins as possible, and collect steel 3 stars, and complete the level. So the way it works is, when you tap on the screen, it will follow the gizmo, which is the blue ring, and you can actually touch and hold, and it will follow it around. And as you can see in here, as I complete the level, I have created some dancing animations. Okay, so what I have in mind is to add store, uh, which contains several skins for player to change their appearances, and also some dance moves. Currently I have implemented 15 dance move, which are going to animate randomly whenever you finishes a level. So I'm going to change this and implement those animations into a store where player can buy the animations, and also skins. So I hope you like this game. Give me a thumbs up if you do, and show me guys what do you think about this game in the comment section. And yeah, I'll try to uh, uh, you know I'm open to any suggestions and critiques. I will uh, i will watch all the comments and see how I can improve my game. So thanks for watching guys, and I'll see you next time.